Today's video is a little different than all my other videos. There's no GLI content. Sorry for that. There is a video tomorrow though on the GLI. It's the engine bay review. The paint came out amazing. I can't wait to show all you guys, and it's a video you're not going to want to miss. So in the meantime, enjoy a GTR shooting massive flames. See you tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Fucking coming soon, baby.
Sneak peek.
They didn't see this shit. I don't know how. You see that fucking flex wheel kit right there?
Oh, yeah.
They didn't see that.
Where? It looks like it's kind of with it.
So why don't you put a sticker over it or something?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Or just put a little black thing over it.
Visconti tuner. I think you should just get.
I heard this thing's pretty slow. It's stock, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, literally stock.
Just cat back.
Alright, we just had to wait for the car to warm up. We're gonna do a little fireworks show.